Welcome to SOS Electronic. Let's discover how you can optimize your devices with Versatile Pinrex 1.25mm connectors. Our range of wire-to-board, wire-to-wire and board-to-board connectors now includes the Versatile Pinrex 712 series. This flexible solution offers developers multiple benefits, from space-saving construction and broad compatibility to budget-friendly pricing and straightforward integration into various devices. Moreover, it seamlessly supports automated SMT processes, cutting down on production time and minimizing error risks. The connectors feature a 1.25mm pitch, combining a compact design, reliable signal transmission, and exceptional durability. Whether you are upgrading an existing project or developing something new, these connectors deliver efficiency without compromising quality. As they are highly compatible with various suppliers, they represent a universal and efficient solution for your device. Typical applications of the Pinrex 712 series connectors include backup batteries in devices, Orange Pi 5, Raspberry Pi 5, various embedded systems, and 3D printers. We have brought in the most sought-after Pinrex connectors to our range, making them easily accessible for your projects. From our experience, crimping these tiny contacts by hand isn't the most exciting task even during prototyping. That's why we are offering wires with pre-crimped contacts in various lengths, saving you time and hassle during your development and production. Our selection features options with 1.25mm and 2mm pitch, with a 2.5mm pitch coming soon. Our direct partnership with Pinrex guarantees consistent availability, competitive pricing, and expert technical support. If you need wires with contacts in different lengths or insulation colors, we can supply them starting from just 1,000 pieces at competitive prices. Feel free to reach out and we'll provide a solution tailored to your exact needs. More information and features of the Pinrex 712 series connectors can be found on our website. If you seek technical advice on choosing the right connector, or if you'd like to test a sample for your project, reach out to us at soselectronic.com. We are happy to help you.